Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure your Zong SIM is active and has an internet bundle or sufficient balance. This prevents interruptions. Next, put your phone into LTE/4G mode and turn on mobile data so the network can register. Then open the APN settings. You need the APN name and values. Use APN. Zong, leave username and password blank, because these settings tell your device how to route internet traffic through Zong servers. Now add a new APN profile using the exact values. Set name E.g. Zong Internet, APN. Zong, keep username/password empty. Set MMSC only if using MMS. Once saved, select that APN as the active profile. After selecting, restart your device so the new settings take effect. This forces the network to reassign IP and apply APN rules. Then open a browser or run a speed test. Finish by confirming apps and background data are allowed and any VPN is off. Make sure the active APN profile is still selected. If you don't get a connection, toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds to force reconnection, then try again. If that fails, reopen APN settings and carefully review spelling and network mode. Small typos break the link. As a troubleshooting tip, gather your IMEI and account details before contacting Zong support so they can quickly verify provisioning on their side.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.